Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your Fanduel account is verified and ready. Identity checks must be complete. Next, pick a reputable VPN that supports obfuscated or stealth servers and AES 256 encryption. Once chosen, install the VPN app on the device you use for Fanduel and log into the VPN provider. Make sure to create a clean browser profile or open a private window to avoid lingering cookies and location data. This minimizes tracking and prevents accidental leaks when you proceed. You should now configure the VPN, enable DNS leak protection and the kill switch to block traffic if the VPN drops, and turn on obfuscation or stealth mode if available. Choose a server located in a state or region where Fanduel is legally available. Pick one with low latency under roughly 100 ms to keep app responsiveness. Once connected, verify your public IP and DNS via a quick check, and confirm the kill switch remains active. If latency spikes, switch to the next closest server. Now log into Fanduel with your verified account and confirm payment methods and location settings inside the app. Once done, place a low-risk action like viewing lines to ensure stability. If you encounter a block or verification prompt, clear cookies, reconnect the VPN, and try a different nearby server. Persistent blocks may mean the provider's IP range is flagged. One key troubleshooting tip: always confirm there are no DNS or IP leaks and that the kill switch is active before making real bets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.